Hey everyone, welcome to a special episode where we explore the unique and heartwarming ways Christmas is celebrated in the Middle East. Did you know that in the Middle East, Christmas is celebrated not just by Christians, but also by people of different faiths? It's a time when communities come together, transcending religious boundaries to share in the joy and spirit of the season. Yep, it's a time of peace and unity that transcends religious boundaries. People from various backgrounds come together to celebrate, creating a beautiful mosaic of traditions and cultures. Christmas in the Middle East is a beautiful tapestry of traditions, each thread representing a story of community and togetherness. From the vibrant decorations to the heartfelt gatherings, every element adds to the festive spirit. It's a season where the spirit of unity shines brightly, despite the region's diverse cultural landscape. The streets are adorned with lights and homes are filled with laughter and love. But it's not always been easy. The region has faced its share of challenges, and celebrating Christmas openly has sometimes been difficult. Christians in the Middle East often face misconceptions about their celebrations. There's a need to foster understanding and dispel myths about their traditions. There's a perception that Christmas is solely a Western holiday, but in reality, it's been a part of Middle Eastern culture for centuries. The rich history of Christmas in this region is a testament to its deep-rooted significance. The challenge lies in expressing their faith openly, while fostering understanding among different communities. It's about building bridges and creating a space where everyone feels included. Let's dive into some amazing traditions. Each country in the Middle East has its own unique way of celebrating Christmas, blending local customs with universal festive elements. In Lebanon, families gather around a Christmas tree adorned with intricate decorations, sharing a meal that's a blend of local and international flavors. The aroma of traditional dishes fills the air, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. In Bethlehem, the birthplace of Jesus, there are processions and midnight masses that bring together people from all walks of life. The town becomes a beacon of hope and faith during this special time. Even in places like Egypt, where Coptic Christians celebrate in January, the streets are filled with lights and joy, fostering a sense of belonging. The celebrations are marked by a deep sense of tradition and community. One of the most heartwarming stories comes from a small town in Jordan, where Muslims and Christians come together for a Christmas parade. It's a beautiful display of unity and mutual respect. Children from both faiths dress up as Santa Claus, hand out gifts, and sing carols. The joy on their faces is a powerful reminder of the true spirit of Christmas. It's a powerful reminder that the spirit of Christmas is about love and togetherness, transcending religious differences. It's a time when hearts open and communities come closer. So what does this all mean? It means that despite the challenges, the spirit of Christmas thrives in the Middle East, bringing people together in a shared celebration of peace and unity. It means Christmas in the Middle East is a celebration of peace and unity, a festival that brings people together in a shared spirit of joy and hope. It's a time when differences are set aside, and the focus is on what unites us. It's a testament to the power of tradition and community, showing us that even in diversity, we can find common ground. The celebrations are a beautiful blend of old and new, local and global. I'd love to hear your thoughts. How do you celebrate Christmas, and have you experienced any similar stories of unity? Share your experiences and let's learn from each other. How do you celebrate Christmas, and have you experienced any similar stories of unity? Drop a comment below and let's start a conversation. Your stories can inspire others and spread the message of unity. Drop a comment below and let's start a conversation, and don't forget to check out my other videos on cultural unity, There are so many stories out there that show how we can come together despite our differences. Thanks for watching, and happy holidays. May your season be filled with peace, love, and unity.